Can a fire exist without visible flames? क्या बिना लौ के भी आग हो सकती है? It may sound surprising, but the answer is yes.
Namaskar, my name is Dr. Ashish Kumar Ghosh from CSIR Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, Dhanbad. Today I invite you to join me on a fascinating scientific journey to understand one of the most challenging problems in mining and energy science, that is spontaneous combustion of coal. लेकिन इस वैज्ञानिक यात्रा की शुरुआत हम आग से नहीं, हरियाली से करते हैं.
What you are looking at is a beautiful biodiversity park developed over a reclaimed mine area in Jharkhand. Initially, the saplings grew normally and everything appeared perfectly healthy. लेकिन कुछ महीनों बाद एक एक करके कई पौधे सूख कर गिरने लगे. जांच करने पर पता चला कि मिट्टी के नीचे एक अदृश्य प्रक्रिया लगातार चल रही थी. Beneath the soil, residual carbonaceous material was slowly interacting with atmospheric oxygen. The reaction was releasing heat day after day, silently, until it became dangerous. The fire was invisible, but its consequences were real. यह समस्या केवल खदानों तक सीमित नहीं है. Every year, this slow oxidation process leads to spontaneous combustion in coal stockpiles, open cast mines, ports, railway wagons, trucks, and even cargo ships transporting coal across oceans. Over the past several years, my colleagues and I have been trying to answer one simple question: can we predict such fires before they actually occur? To answer this question, we first need to understand the science behind spontaneous combustion. According to the fire triangle, three essential components are required for fire: fuel, oxygen, and heat. Coal itself serves as the fuel. Atmospheric oxygen is always available. The missing component is heat. फिर यह heat आती कहाँ से है? When a coal stockpile is exposed to atmospheric oxygen, a slow oxidation process begins. This is exactly what happens inside large coal stockpiles during storage and transportation. Because of the intrinsic nature of coal, oxygen reacts with its surface to form unstable coal-oxygen complexes. These reactions gradually release heat. The temperature of the coal mass continues to rise, leading to first self-heating and eventually to spontaneous ignition. कोयले की यही इंट्रिंसिक बिहेवियर अर्थात अंतर्निहित विशेषता हमारे शोध का केंद्र है. To understand and predict this hidden phenomena, the behavior of a coal stack has been simulated in laboratory. For this, we have designed and developed a special modular benchtop system to investigate the oxidation behavior of a coal under carefully controlled conditions. A temperature versus time profile is obtained where the straight line denotes the bath temperature and the blue wavy line is the temperature profile of the coal. With the progress of temperature and time depending on oxidation behavior of coal, this blue line may cross the black line at a point that is known as crossing point temperature. After attainment of crossing point temperature, the coal may catch fire, denoting the ignition point temperature. आशा है आप समझ गए होंगे कि जितना कम क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट टेम्परेचर होगा उतनी अधिक उस कोयले की स्पॉन्टेनियस कंबशन की प्रवृत्ति होगी. एंड हायर द वैल्यू ऑफ क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट टेम्परेचर denotes lower tendency of auto oxidation. Thus, simple determination of crossing point temperature provides a first-hand information about the propensity of any coal towards auto oxidation. When we fall ill, we first use a thermometer to determine the fever. Just as a thermometer tells us whether a patient has fever, our laboratory system tells us whether a coal is prone to spontaneous combustion. You can imagine this graph as a score progression worm graph in a cricket match. One team initially leads, but later the other team overtakes it. The moment one curve crosses the other is analogous to the crossing point temperature, which happens in this case at 25 overs. Now can you guess what is analogous to 35th over? Yes, that's the ignition point, the moment when the coal catches fire. In this ANRF project, Over 100 power sector coal samples were collected, representing different Indian coal fields and belonging to various subsidiaries of Coal India Limited. Each sample was comprehensively and systematically characterized using analytical techniques. Controlled oxidation experiments with our developed systems were then carried out to determine the crossing point and ignition point temperatures. The study demonstrated clear relationships between spontaneous combustion propensity and important coal characteristics such as rank and moisture content. इस ENR प्रोजेक्ट के जरिए हमने भारतवर्ष में पाए जाने वाले कोयले के स्पॉन्टेनियस कंबशन के प्रति रुझानों का शोध किया, लेकिन हमारी वैज्ञानिक यात्रा यहीं समाप्त नहीं हुई. Every experiment generated new questions and demanded deeper understanding. Some materials, particularly lignites, exhibited behavior that could not be explained by conventional theories. To find the answers, we have extended our research to the molecular level through advanced characterization techniques such as NMR, IR, Raman, XRD, etc. And thus, three-dimensional structural models were developed using density functional theory through Gaussian and Gauss-View softwares. These studies have helped to understand coal structural features, but our journey doesn't stop there. The next step is even more exciting. By integrating experimental data, molecular descriptors, and coal characteristics with artificial intelligence, particularly artificial neural networks, we aim to develop improved predictive models capable of estimating spontaneous combustion propensity of coal, biomass, and other carbonaceous matter. Behind every experiment is a purpose, and behind every purpose is a human life. Science finds its true purpose only when it improves people's life. The knowledge generated through this work is being disseminated through workshops, training programs, student outreach, and scientific interactions with academia, industry, and mining professionals. The outcomes are expected to contribute towards better protection of lives, resources, and the environment.
Remember, every mine fire prevented means a miner returns home safely. And that is why we do this research. Our vision is simple: predict, prevent, and protect. आशा है हमारा यह व्याख्यान आपको रोचक लगा होगा. हमारा उद्देश्य केवल आग का अध्ययन करना ही नहीं, हमारा उद्देश्य है आग लगने से पहले उसका पूर्वानुमान करना, उसे रोकना और एक सुरक्षित भविष्य का सृजन करना.